Just come and sing Gulati. Got 94.8% aggregate, highest in physical education.
बेटा सामने ओके सर
Please applaud the parents. Simran scored 94.4% aggregate.
हाँ जी सर
Megha Luthra with 94.2% aggregate. Father will receive the prize.
हाँ जी ओके सर
Please applaud the parents. Clap for the parents.
हाँ जी सर
Vikram
hold
Singh
करो,
Singh,
hold, हाँ, मैम आई।
94% aggregate. Parents will receive the prize.
हाँ जी सर
They need your chair. Applaud the parents. Prabshar scored 94% aggregate. Jaskiran Kaur scored 93.8% aggregate.
हाँ जी मैडम सामने
Highest in chemistry. Outstanding performance. Admission in PU, second in entrance. Brother will receive the prize.
हाँ जी सर
Muskan Sharma with 93.8% aggregate. Sister will receive the prize. Anshul Suri, 93.6% aggregate. Highest in physics. Outstanding performance. Admission in IIT. Father will receive the prize.
हाँ जी सर
Cheeramam, Tobleen Kaur got 93.6% aggregate. Outstanding performance. Admission in NIT. Pankaj Sood got 93.2% aggregate. Harshdeep with 93% aggregate. Sister will receive
बेटा
the
सामने एक
prize.
मिनट
Applaud the parents. Gorikpal, 92.8% aggregate. Ruhani, 92.8% aggregate. Rohan Verma, 92.6% aggregate. Applaud the reference because it's there today. Harleen with 92.6% aggregate, highest in home science. Parmeen, 92.4% aggregate. Yugesh with 92.2% aggregate. Tarunpreet scored 92% aggregate, highest in business studies. Girisha Bansal with 91.8% aggregate, mother will receive the prize. Mukul Mehta, 91.8% aggregate.
हाँ जी मैडम सामने
Gurpreet Kaur, 91.6% aggregate, outstanding performance, admission in NIT. Gurpreet Singh got 91.6% aggregate, outstanding performance, admission to NIT. Karan Nijam scored 91.4% aggregate, highest in physical education. Kanupriya with 91.4% aggregate, mother will receive the prize. Anta Puneet got 91% aggregate. Applaud your efforts, parents. Kumar Sambhav, 91% aggregate. Kumar Sambhav, 91% aggregate.
बेटा सामने थे
Vijul Handu scored 91% aggregate, highest in biology. Mother will receive the prize.
मैडम सामने मैडम इधर
Sumer Singh with 90.8% aggregate, highest in IB. Anuri got 90.8% aggregate, highest in biology and biotech. Ashna got 90.8% aggregate. Prachi Goyal scored 90.6% aggregate, highest in biology and biotech.
बेटा एक मिनट रुको
Anand Goyal with 90.6%
Madam, सामने,
90.4% aggregate, highest in physical education. Rishari Arora scored 90.2% aggregate, highest in biology. Yugnish with 90.2% aggregate, highest in biology. Parents will receive the prize. Sonam Rana got 90% aggregate. Sister will receive the prize. Pankaj, 90% aggregate, highest in biology. Turandam got 90% aggregate.
बेटा सामने
Next we have perfect 100 category. Harmanjot Kaur in music, 0.1% merit category. Sister will receive the prize. Next we have subject-wise highest marks. Shikha, highest in English. Laveen Kaur, highest in biology. Sister will receive the prize. Dhavi Soni, highest in biology. Sister will receive the prize. Palak Basi, highest in biology. Daljeet Kaur, highest in biology. Brother will receive the prize. Ash Kamaljot Kaur, highest in biology. Jaspreet Kaur, highest in biology. The sisters have won efforts today. Cheer them up, parents. Daljeet Kaur, highest in biology. Ash Kamaljot Kaur, highest in biology. Jaspreet Kaur, highest in biology. Latika Sehgal, highest in biology. Harshita, highest in physical education.
बेटा सामने
Next we have outstanding performance category. Anchal Jain, second in Punjab State, first in district, 98% aggregate in commerce stream. Truly, she's a star. Navpreet Singh, outstanding performance, admission in IIT. Sister will receive the
बेटा
prize.
सामने ओह
Harmohit Singh, outstanding performance, admission in NSIT. Sister will receive the prize. Abhay Dugral, outstanding performance, admission in Symbiosis Pune. Kumar Bhavya, outstanding performance, admission in DU. Now I hand over the mic to Rachita.
I, Rajita Pujara, proudly declare that we Moon's Grammarians are not just prepared for academic excellence, but the vast playgrounds, trained coaches, and encouraging staff ignites us to develop and grow in all aspects of personality. Sports are always a top priority. That's why we Moon's Grammarians have proud results to announce today. Karen P. Kaur, NCC, shortlisted for National Republic Day Parade. Hariveer Singh, Karate, Commonwealth Games National Champion. Diven Chopra, Karate, Open Nationals State Champion. Dipanshu Dhal, Chess, Open Nationals State Champion.
बेटा सामने हाँ जी सर
Babu Verma, Chess, 2 Nationals State winners. Gursimran Singh and Prabsimran Singh, Chess State winners. Ladies and gentlemen, keep appreciating the efforts of the young students. Dhiren, Chess, Open Nationals State winners.
एक मिनट बेटा रुको एक मिनट
Harmishthar Singh, Athletics, CBSE Cluster Board.
पता नहीं है कुछ हाँ जी सर
Navneet Kaur, Athletics, Open State Silver.
एक मिनट रुकिए आज
Japneet Singh, Athletics, Open State Bronze. Jasmeet Kaur, Basketball, Open State runner-up. Ishan Sodhi, Basketball, Rural State runner-up. Rudrans, Amrita Singh, Ekamjeet Singh and Rahul Raj Singh. Taekwondo state bronze. Meetnoor Singh, table tennis, state and CBSE champion, national. Riya and Suhani, badminton, state runner-up.
बेटा सामने
Ajayveer Singh and Amanjot Singh, chalkball, national participation. Arshmeet Singh, water polo, state third. Balwinder Singh, handball, best scores, open state. Sonam, chalkball, state runner-up. Sajan Singh, basketball, state runner-up. Himanshu, chess, state winner. Bhuvnesh, Gagneet Singh and Ashish, handball, open state. Varun Shawri, Dev Sethi and Rudraksh, Wushu, open state gold.
हाँ जी सर ओके
Kushagra, Wushu, open state silver.
हाँ जी बेटा सामने
Here comes the shining star in the galaxy of MGM, NDSC scholars, Abhinav Sharma. Tariq Jog Singh. Now comes the head boy of the school of the session 2016-17. Manandeep Singh. Now comes the head boy of the school of the session 2016-17. Manandeep Singh. Deputy head boy, Saksham Verma. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause. Head girl, Samreet Agbal. Deputy head girl, Gursehat Kaur Sandhu. All-round best student of the year 2016-17 goes to Gurpreet Singh. Shining stars of MGN are Mr. Randeep Singh Theep, selected in Punjab Civil Services. Mr. Randeep Singh Theep, selected in Punjab Civil Services. And Jagdeep Sehgal,
बैटरी लगे तो
fifth rank in the parents will receive the prize. Now I hand over the mic to Garima.
Transform the dynamics of learning.
Sir, अंदर आइए।
Innovative collaboration. Now I request registries and curriculum along with the house master and deputy house mistress, Mr. Satwinder Singh, and receive the trophy on behalf
थोड़े
of
अंदर आओ
the
सर
house.
हाँ जी
Second in academics,
थोड़े नीचे करना, हल्का जा- हाँ,
Mr.
yes.
Singh Kalra with the house master, Mr. Kanwati, and deputy house mistress, Mrs. Anita Verma, to come and receive the trophy on behalf of their house. Dimitri is donated by Siddharthi and Siddharth Manohar Singh Nirula.
थोड़ा नीचे कर लो।
It goes to Sahib Sarajit Singh House. I request St. Thomas along with their house teachers, Mr. Pradeep Singh and Mr. Singla, to come and receive the trophy on behalf of their house. Audience, please, a little effort on your part will make them
सर एक
motivated.
साइड
Best in uniform trophy, Sardar Narayan Singh Kalra Memorial Trophy. It is backed by Sahib Sarajit Singh House. Now I request Pali and Jackie, along with their house mistress and deputy house mistress, Mrs. Rita and Mrs. Vittu, to come and receive the trophy on behalf of their house.
ਸਰ ਥੋੜਾ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ
Second best in uniform, Sardar H.S. Sodhi Trophy, donated by Sardar R.S. Mehta. It is backed by Sahibzada Fateh Singh House. Now I request the Miss Anne Kathy, along with their house teachers, Mrs. Ajit Kaur and Miss Harpreet Kaur, to come and receive the trophy on behalf of their house. Continuing with the literary trophy. This trophy is donated by Sardar J.P. Singh. It is equally claimed by Sahibzada Jeet Singh House, Sahibzada Zorawar Singh House, and Sahibzada Fateh Singh House. Now I request Mr. and Taranjeet and their house teachers,
Yes,
Mr. Rupinder,
Mehmet Rao.
Satma Honda of Sahibzada Jeet Singh House, Deepan Jones Captain and Kamini Vice Captain of Sahibzada Zorawar Singh House, and their house teachers, Mrs. Meenu Kochar and Mrs. Rajveer Kaur. Gurnoor Singh, Vice Captain, Saheg of Sahibzada Fateh Singh House, and their house teachers, Mr. Amritpal Singh and Mrs. Ritu Gagneja, to come and receive the trophy on behalf of their
ਥੋੜਾ
house.
ਜਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਮ ਆਓ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ
Next in the row is public speaking. Sardar Amrit Singh Pasrita Memorial Trophy is donated by Sardar Mian Sardar Satranjan Singh Pasrita. It is backed by Sahibzada Jeet Singh House. Now I request Lakshmi and Isha and their house teachers,
ਹਾਂਜੀ
Mrs.
ਮੈਡਮ,
Lakshmi
ਸਾਹਮਣੇ।
Singari and Mrs. Kusum, to come and receive the trophy on behalf of their house. Next is the cultural trophy. Sardar Kalyan Singh Memorial Trophy is donated by Sardar Nian Sardar Purinder Singh Nirula. It is shared by two houses, Sahibzada Jeet Singh House and Sahibzada Jujhar Singh House. Now I request Nurbi and Sahajdeep Singh and their house teacher, Miss Sakshi and Miss Cherry, of Sahibzada Jujhar Singh House, and Samarjeet and Niyati and their house teachers, Mrs. Surjeet and Miss Silky of Sahibzada Jeet Singh House, to come and receive the trophies on behalf of their houses. Next is the sports trophy for the runners-up. Sardani and Sardar Taranjeet Singh Pasrita Trophy is donated by Mrs. and Mr. M.P. Singh Pasrita. It is won by Sahibzada Jeet Singh House. Now I request Keshav and Yashvi and their house teachers, Mrs. Sarabjit Kaur and Mrs. Baljeet Kaur, to come and receive the trophies on behalf of their house. Coming up next is the sports trophy for the winners.
ਬੇਟਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ
Mrs. Leena Bail Memorial Trophy, donated by Mr. N.J.S. Behel. It goes to Sahibzada Jujhar Singh House. Now I request Jasmeet Kaur and Japneet Singh and their house teachers,
Madam,
Mr. Devinder Kaur and
ਹਾਂਜੀ,
Mrs.
ਹਾਂਜੀ,
Kumil Lata, to come and receive the trophy on behalf of their house. Now, the overall runner-up trophy, Sardar Gurmeet Singh Kalra Memorial Trophy, donated by Mrs. Jitinderjeet Kaur Kalra. It goes to Sahibzada Jujhar Singh House. Now I request Arshad Singh and Parneet Kaur and their house master, Mr. Satwinder Singh, and deputy house mistress, Mrs. Satwinder Panu, to come and receive the trophy on behalf of their houses. And now, the overall best house trophy, the Bhai Gobind Singh Pasrita Trophy, donated by
ਹਾਂਜੀ sir।
Sardar Chandel Singh Pasrita, Secretary MJ and Educational Trust, goes to Sahibzada Jeet Singh House. A big round of applause for them. I request Anj and Vice Captain Savish and their house mistress, Deputy House Mistress, Mrs. Richa and Mrs. Ritu, to come and receive the trophy on behalf of their house. It is time to honor the staff members who have completed 25 years in the service of education. Mrs. R.V. Kumra from Rainbow Wing and Mrs. Sukham from the Primary Wing. They completed 25 years in the service of education and enriched our exclusive club of street, raising the strength to 51. Mr. Dinesh Kumar Yadav, Class 4 employee, has also completed 25 years in the service of Cook School. Now I hand over the mic to Seher.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ
To be spiritually conscious, socially responsible, and morally upright is the core dimension of MG Public Schools
vision of education. I humbly request Chairman Sir, Vice Chair. I request dignitaries to present a token of love to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Kapil Kishore Yadav, IAS Deputy Commissioner Jalandhar, and Mrs. Gitanjali Sagar.
बहुत छोटा ग्रुप है
आओ सर थोड़े नाल लगाओ हाँ सर आओ थोड़े मैम नाल आइए सर वेट करना जरा हाँ वेट सर वेट थैंक यू
Hi, dignitaries. Now,
It's my pleasure and privilege to be here with you all engineers. This is the 40th annual day celebration of this institution, and the way this institution has created its own history by its own performance, perseverance, and the hard work of the faculty members and management. I am really glad to be with you and finding myself in between the galaxy of very talented, brilliant, and intelligent minds. When I was reading the performance of the school from the LED displayed over here and hearing it from the mouth of principal man, I was thinking that there will be some end to the CGPA scorings. If so many students are scoring 10 CGPAs or 98 points, 98% marks, 97% marks, and that too with this, actually the result in itself shows the quality of this institution. That was the quality on the part of academic excellence. When we watched the cultural events, the messages which were purely embedded in those events, and I think everybody got the message very nicely conveyed by the students, and we can't distinguish between any professional artist or the common students who are actually reading also, they are in the academics also performing where very small kids, different age groups, but they all are performing with excellence at par. So I congratulate all MGN faculty members, students, everybody who was associated with this annual day celebration and who are actually working throughout the year for overall development of the personality of all the students. One message which was very clear was that over the time we are actually either developing or degenerating, which was shown by a clear contrast of Gurukul pattern of the studies and the way education is being dealt in nowadays. So I personally feel that somehow we have to create a balance. We have to understand that the teachers are the source of inspiration, source of energy. They are our guide. Whatever we are just because of our teachers and our parents. There are a lot of blessings we are having from our seniors, elders, and those blessings are very much required for the overall well-being of our life our careers, our professional life, our personal life, our social life. A clear balance is required for the overall development or overall success of any human being or any personality. The way MGN Institute is performing or imbibing a balanced attitude, a balanced nature, a balanced temperament in their students, I am really appreciating their efforts. I wish them all the very best for their bright future. I wish all the students a very bright future, and I request all the parents to respect the decisions taken by their kids, respect the intentions they are having in their mind, respect their interest, watch what they are doing, try to create or try to channelize their creative energy in a better form, in a better way. With these words, I am again putting my words of gratitude to MGN Institute, especially Pashricha Saab, Principal Saab, management के सारे लोग, Ramneek ji, and all other persons who are involved with MGN. Thank you very much.
Income Tax Jalandhar for their sagacious words which will emblazon the paths and directions of the future generations. My sincere gratitude to our ever beneficent trust who have always provided us with right guidance and opportunities for propelling our dreams and ambitions. Thanks to our dear principal, Mrs. Birinder Badwal, for the most productive year. Under your guidance, Montgomeryans are growing and carving a niche for the active, productive partnership, which has really helped in improving the modes and tools for ensuring the holistic development of the students. Thanks to the tiny tots and children of our school. May your goals and aspirations have no bounds as you move onwards to higher grounds. Thank you all for allowing me the time to express my thankfulness, because silent gratitude isn't much to anyone. I hope you have a grand evening. Thank you.